Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the NDI plugin on OBS Studio. Let's get started. The very first thing you'll need, open your browser and head over to NDI Video. This is the official website. Once you're here, click on Tools at the top and then download the NDI Tools package for your operating system. You can grab it for either Windows or Mac. Since I'm on Windows, I'll download the Windows version. After it finishes downloading, open up the installer. Give it a few seconds to load, then accept the agreement, choose your installation location, and click Next until it starts installing. This will install all the NDI utilities you'll need later. While that's installing, let's grab the OBS plugin itself. Go back to Google and search for OBS NDI plugin. The link you want should say something like DROAV in OBS Studio. Click on that link and on the page, look for Go to Download. This will take you to the Releases page. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see different versions for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Since I'm on Windows, I'll download the Windows x64 installer. Once that downloads, open the installer. Again, just click Next, accept the agreement, and then click Install. After it's finished, click Finish to exit setup. Now, here's an important step. OBS needs to be restarted before the plugin shows up. So if you already had OBS open, go ahead and close it completely and then reopen it. Since I'm recording right now, I can't restart immediately, but I'll show you what it looks like after restarting. Alright, I've restarted OBS. Now if you go to the top menu and click on Tools, you'll see a new option called NDI Output Settings. If it doesn't show up yet, don't worry, just make sure OBS was fully closed and try again. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more OBS tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues.